tripping out. Yo, what's going on, bro? What are you doing?
Oh wow, he's getting closer. Making his way.
It took him about 3 hours to get from the steps to the door here. Still got about like 5 feet to go though.
You're almost there, Billy.
I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there.
Where don't you want to go? Inside?
Oh, good. Yo, are you coming out?
Yo, I don't have boots.
Oh.
If you got size 15 boots, I could borrow.
Oh. No, I don't have those.
What's going on though?
I don't know, yo. So, you wanna help me like shovel? There's a lot of snow. Is Jimmy gonna come help me or somebody? Who? Ah, Jesus.
Yo, it's like a blizzard out there, man.
I know. That's why they call it a blizzard. Because it is a blizzard. Yeah, you gotta get out of here. It's so good.
I don't know, man. I don't got boots. I don't got like snow pants.
Oh,
it's fucking.
Come on, man.
It's a blizzard.
Did you look in the room? I told you to look in the room.
And step one was the boots.
Yeah, I got boots, man.
You seen trails and shit?
I'm like,
You seen trails?
no, this is cool. Whatever's going on is cool, man. It's alright. Take a biz.
Yo, it's like 12 degrees outside. You're just chilling. You alright?
I love this, man. I can live in this.
Are you sleeping out there tonight?
Yeah. Yo, forever, man. Yo, I can live in this.
Yo, I'm videotaping you. You have anything you want to say since
Every day.
you're tripping out and you're caught on camera? Oh shit! Wind. Whoa.
I don't know. I don't really have much to say right now.
You don't have any like deep thoughts like about life?
Alright, wait.
Have you seen deep into anything?
Yeah, no, I got something really, really deep. Like real deep. Is you ready for it? Just let me know when you're ready.
Yeah. No, let me know. I'm ready. Yeah, that was pretty deep.
Every snowflake you get, you gotta like take it and cherish it. It's your last snowflake ever. And there's millions of them everywhere. Okay? Remember that. Remember that. Yeah,
I don't know, man. Maybe later. Yo, you wanna come inside a little? Maybe warm up?
No.
I don't want you to die out there, bro.
No. Not at all. I told you today. Oh yeah, no, this is my quote. What was my quote? If alright, ready?
What?
So you remember I had a quote today. This is my quote. If I die in a fiery crash, That's what I'm doing. If I die, wait. No, alright, I got it. See, now you just landed on it. This is gonna help.
Alright, we'll check back with you later, man. Get. Hey. Where's everyone? Where's everyone? It's too cold for you, man. Cold out there. Alright, let me see what's going on. Let me see first. Can I go first? Hold on. Let me go. Hold on. Let me go get Jim. Yeah.
Hey man, how are you?
Chuck wants to come outside.
Get him in the tunnel, bro. Get him in the tunnel. Yes, can I check it out in there? Yes.
That's my car. It's tough to get that out later. If you're determined, I think so. Oh. Uh-oh. What up? happened?
I gave up.
Why?
Because I'm lazy. Should have come out here last night and had like drinks.
I know. What we got today? Hey, where you go? How's it going over there?
Alright.
Did they plow?
Huh?
Did they plow yet?
Maybe they did once.
Hey, where you going? Hey. Hey, Chuck. Chucky. Hey, this way. Hey, come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look who's here. Billy's here. Come on. Come on. Oh, who's that? Oh, look who's here. Look who's here. Look who's here. I thought you liked the snow. Chuck doesn't want to have a good time. Look, here he is. Maybe he's cold, huh?
I don't know if he likes it.
I think he thinks like someone's out front. It was you he heard.
Come on, Chuck. Come on. Come on.
Come on, look, we're gonna go. Do you see the igloo?
Yeah. Pretty rad.
I got all dressed up so I could come out with him and play.
And now he doesn't want to hang out.
Oh, my bed thing is there?
Yeah.
I thought that got thrown out years ago.
Tried to with the garbage man would never take it.
Why are you barking, Chuck? You wanna go in, huh? What do you want? You cold? Alright. Chucky didn't want to play. You know I was there?
No.
I don't know what he's freaking out about.
It's pretty awesome.
Is it warmer in there?
It is actually. Is you protected from the wind?
The wind's starting to calm down a little. Yo, Chuck is going insane. I don't know what's wrong with him.
Yeah, it's pretty cool in there.
Should I go in there? But you can't sit up, right? You can only lay?
You can only lay.
Yeah. Yeah. So, it's me and Chuck. We're headed to the beach. Alright, say hi, Chuck. He wants to sit in the front, but I told him, old dog, stay in the back. And, yeah, we're gonna go to the beach and see what it looks like, see if there's still snow on the sand or what's going on. Because it's been a few days since the big snowfall. So, we're doing some detective work, and yeah, so that's about that. This is what the streets are looking like. Whoa, I was on Zoom. Sorry about that. Oh, let's get this green light. You see Chuck now? That's Chuck. He's my partner today, and we'll check back when we got some more clues and information to disclose. All right. Here we go. How do I shut this off? Alright. Alright. Alright.
Yeah, up there.
Chuck, come on. Come on. Let's go to the beach. Nowhere on the beach? Nowhere on the beach? Well, we got 10 feet.
Yeah, you got some shit.
Come on, Jeff. Alright. Come on, Chuck, you're not allowed on the beach. Yeah. I'm gonna get a little video camera, man. Come on, Chuck.
No dogs on the beach.
Yeah, that's what I hear.
Yeah, whatever, sorry.
Not cool. We're out already. No jump. No jump. No jump, please.
Come on, Chuck.
Come on, Vincent. Yeah, he's a year and a half.
Come on, Chuck. Sorry, Chuck. Go ahead. Why you sit in the back, Chuck? Why are you getting hurt?